In this segment, we're going to focus on sharpening and honing our knives. What I have here is a whetstone. There are a couple of different sharpening stones that you can use. This one is a whetstone, so you soak it in water. You can buy this, I actually ordered this online. You can order it online, or you can order this through a knife sharpening store. This one is a 6,000 grit and a 1,000 grit. So this side's a little bit more rough, the other side's a little bit more smooth. You start out with the rough side, and basically what we're going to do is start with a wet or damp towel so that the stone doesn't slide. We'll take our knife. Again, we're going to start on the rougher grit side of the stone. Placing your thumb against the blade of the knife, holding it secure. You're going to start at the tail end of the knife at roughly a 15-degree angle and slide the knife 2 or 3 smooth fluid passes all the way to the tip of the knife. Then we're going to turn the knife and do the same exact thing, putting our thumb here, bracing the knife 15-degree angle, and sliding it towards the other side. Now, when sharpening the knife, my recommendation is do your drinking afterwards. So, there we are. A couple passes on that, we'll switch to the other side. Again, nice round fluid motion, kind of in a half circle, and again back to the other side. There we are. Now we're going to take the stone, turn it over, and we're going to go on our fine grit. This is going to sharpen the knife even at a finer point. So we're going to, again, at a 15-degree angle, 2 or 3 passes on that side, and then switch. And again to the other side. Alright, there we have it. Now what we're going to do is take our towel, dry off the knife to remove any of that excess grit that we've pulled from the knife. We can get rid of the stone, put that back in the water. Now what I do for storage of this knife, or storage of this stone, is once you're going to use it, you store it in water for up to an hour, and then when you're finished with it, you can set it out, put it in a dish rack, let it dry, and store it dry. You always want to store it dry. Now what we have, this is our this is a honing blade. So basically what this does is this has little ridges that run up and down it. Now what you're going to do, this does not sharpen the knife, this hones the blade. So basically what it does is it pulls the blade back together. So once the knife is sharp, again at roughly a 15-degree angle, you run it down each side, just like this. There it is. Now if you're uncomfortable with dragging it down, there is a guard here, which if the knife should hit, it won't hit your hand. But if you're a little uncomfortable with that, you can always put this down and run it down away from you. So there are a couple of different ways to do this. For me, I prefer holding it up and just moving your wrist. You don't have to move your whole arm. That way, the knife blade is running up against the honing steel. And there we have it. Now, we're ready to roll.